All right, this is two parts of the AP Stats asynchronous work. And let me share first the screen. All right, the first part is some of you in the classroom, we did this. So if you did this part of the activity during the classroom, you can skip, or if you don't understand, you can stick around. So significant test, which is hypothesis, is piggyback with the confidence interval. So we talk about a little bit of a confidence interval here. If you don't understand what confidence interval is, just please go to chapter 8 and confidence interval for mean. So this is one of the example, previous example about the pineapple and pineapple size. And we did the hypothesis test during the class about 31 ounces, and no hypothesis is 31 ounces. Alternative hypothesis is not equal to 31 ounces. Okay, so there's a two-sided test. It's tail left, tail right, right? So we did this one, and we plug into this equation, and the mean value we calculate is actually the difference of mean, and divide by standard error, and another division here by size n, which is 50. So we didn't have to go through the normality check. Only thing is compare the 10% and randomness, and it says random. And we went through and we find a p-value. It's such a low p-value, 0.08. First, we have to find a 0.004, and at the two sides, so we multiply by 2, and the p-value is, I said 0.08, but 0.008 compared to 0.05 is such a small number. Therefore, we reject no hypothesis. And after we do the state plan, and this is what we call sample, the test is called one sample t-test for mu, right? And here's the two distribution here, the highlighted section, such a small data. The conclusion is the p-value is so small, so we reject no hypothesis. And we talked about briefly about what the type, maybe not, this is not type, type 2 error, but and if you want to talk about type 2 error, we can talk about it here. I don't think that was the topic. I think battery, I got confused with the battery exercise. Okay, now, let's, so that's why I'm making the new video here. It's the same question here. Minitab app output, which is minitab output is this one, right? And showing this, the confidence interval for 95% confidence interval, okay? And they give you the result, right? So that the result is between 31.255 and 32.616, and the conclusion of this minitab, if you read it as a confidence interval, if we are 95% confident that the true P exists between those intervals, right? The interval capture the true mean weight mu of this year's pineapple crop, okay? So do you see mu equal 31? No, right? Therefore, we reject no hypothesis. So that if you can pause the video and you can read this one, you will understand. For alpha level 0.05, we reject no mu equal 31. That's the no hypothesis. And in favor of alternative hypothesis, which is mu is not equal to 31. The corresponding 95% confidence interval does not include 31 as a placebo value of the parameter mu. Okay, so just read through here and you will understand. Okay, now there's another part you can look at here. You can just look at the test statistics. This equation, confidence interval is x bar plus minus t star, and standard error divided by square root n. Okay, and just if you remember both of them, and you can conduct both procedure, and you can compare and contrast the result. Okay, I hope you understand. So I will continue next video. It's some new topic, and I didn't cover in the class, and that will be also a part of the upcoming test. Okay, so I will pause the video here.